Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Anthony. I'm a licensed acupuncturist based in New York, a personal trainer, and a holistic nutrition coach. So this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not here to diagnose or treat any medical condition, but what I want to share with you is the uses of watermelon. Summer has already arrived. We're all looking forward to enjoying our watermelon, right? Who doesn't like having a few watermelon in this weather? So let me go into the uses of watermelon in the standpoint of using Chinese medicine. Chinese medicine has been using watermelon as an herb. Even though watermelon is not originally from China, it is from Africa. But the uses of it is so appealing that it's even being considered this food as a herb. So one way to use watermelon is consumption, right? However, since it's so cold in nature, it actually, when it's too much cold in our stomach actually doesn't like it that much. When we have too much cold food, sometimes you might get a stomachache. The reason is that it slows down our digestions. And that coldness is almost like you catch a cold when the weather has suddenly dropped in temperature and then you feel that feeling. Imagine your stomach is feeling that. So it's not going to be happy with you and give you a stomachache. It happens more often to young children and elderly because their digestive system is a little bit weaker. And sometimes it happens also to pregnant women. So you have to be careful of how much you're eating. And since watermelon is so, is sweet and also has plenty of fluids, if you're watching your sugar intake, you should also not overconsume watermelon and use a different way of consumption, which I'll show you in just a minute. For those who might be diabetic or just want to have less sugar intake while achieving this cooling effect in your body using watermelon. So some of the ways we can also modify on how we consume watermelon. For here, I have some basil leaves sprinkled. The warming nature of basil leaf help neutralize the cooling effect of watermelon. And also some people dress it with olive oil. So oil also is a little bit more warming, so it counters the effect of cooling. And then the second way of using watermelon is, some of you might know, but I have learned this from my family since I was really young. You use almost to the skin of the watermelon peel, and you can wash your face with it. And some Chinese medicine practitioner might even use it for some skin condition, especially for kids. But those require diagnosis and going into details, which I'm not going to discuss. But just know that you can use that for your face, and you can even cut out the pieces of white, and then you can leave it on your face for 10-15 minutes as a facial. And that's very good for nourishing our skin and then hydrate our skin as well. And the last use that I was going to share with you is to make a watermelon tea. So what you can do is you can use the peel of the watermelon, put it in water, and let it boil and simmer until this turns into a watermelonish color. And you can drink that during times when it's really hot to prevent heat stroke. And for those who are avoiding to have too much sugar intake, this is a great alternative way of consuming watermelon. So these are the 3 uses of watermelon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and also you can go to my website and look at other work that I do that you might find interesting. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.